So, good morning everyone.
Good morning!
We are going to the Modball this weekend. Jordan
as official photographer.
is back. And yeah, I'm doing photography, so there might not be many videos, but there will be some. Correct?
My job.
And make sure Jordan gets some for us. Okay, good.
Plug.
So yeah, we're gonna start on the long journey down there, and then walk through London to go and register for the photography, and then see where it gets us.
Dude, I got a cold sore.
Oh, well, right. We'll catch up with you when we're at the services, maybe. Yeah? Yeah. So, we made it to the services. It's actually getting quite nice, isn't it, Jordan?
The weather's getting alright. There's less cloud. It's a good day.
Yeah. So we're gonna go get a Starbucks and then get back on the road. I've got to be at the Hilton Hotel for 1:30 to get my pass. So it's now just coming up to 10 o'clock. We'll be fine. We'll make it. Jordan is now my personal photographer. He's going to follow me around with that all day. So yeah, see you in a bit. So guys, we made it. There's a football stadium literally like just behind them trees, and Jordan's really mad because he supports them, I think. Do you support that team, Jordan? Jordan? Yeah. Do you support that team? Do you support the team? Oh, Chelsea, yeah. Yeah, so it's Chelsea football stadium like right there, so. Jordan's kind of mad. I need to now race down to the Hilton, which is, I don't know, they said an hour away, and I've got to be there by 1. It's now 11:45. And I've got to walk there because I have to leave my car here. So, Jordan's use shampoo with soap. Oh, for God's sake. So yeah, as you can tell, everything's going perfect. Sean. No. Everything's going absolutely fantastic. So we're going to race down there now, go and find supercars, really nice cars. We've already seen one, which I hope Jordan got on my camera. Did you? Nope. Put the glasses down.
No, I didn't.
Do you want to go turn the tap off? For God's sake. So yeah, we'll catch up with you in a little bit when we are towards the place.
Getting in a car and riding a bike
Are the same things?
are the same things.
Oh, nice.
Oh. So,
are you excited to go and see Buckingham Palace, Jordan?
yeah, I'm gonna have a selfie with the Queen. We're gonna eat, drink hot chocolate, eat crumpets. We're gonna have such a good time. And then you're gonna have your boy Floyd there. Like, oh my God, you met the Queen. That's like my biggest dream.
And then he's gonna be like, do you wanna go out and see her?
Yeah, and they'll be like, America.
America.
Everyone looking the same. Everyone being like either really rich or like...
Or poor like you.
Poor and drug addicts. Not like me. I'm like somewhere, like this is the rich and this is the poor, and I'm like, yeah. But
no. You're below the poor.
They can't see that.
Below the poor.
I'll tell you what though, I prefer Carlos to you.
Wow. Thanks, man. Means a lot. Yeah, we're going to Buckingham Palace and then Pizza Express.
Yeah, man.
Cool. You alright with that?
Yeah, I'm alright.
ridiculous spot. Shall I buy some?
Yes.
So, we've had food, check. Been to the Oakley shop, check. That guy just looked at me, check. What else have we done?
We haven't saw any other cars. So
We've just seen one. So Jordan's lying, obviously. But now we're gonna walk back towards Sloane Street, walk down Sloane Street, then head back towards the hotel and see what happens. I'm getting kind of tired now. How about you, Jordan?
Oh.
You coping?
I'm coping pretty well.
We've got all of this again tomorrow, and then a journey home. But we'll be fine. Whoa, floating bike. Whoa.
I found a floating bike in Fortnite.
But yeah, we're gonna go back now and see what we can find at the hotel. We're gonna go to the hotel?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Let's around this corner. Damn, man.
Police back shoes around.
It's the same one.
Hey Jordan.
Hi Scott.
How you doing, Jordan?
I'm good, Scott.
Have you enjoyed your day, Jordan?
I have, Scott.
How are your feet holding up, Jordan? Can you get the camera down, please?
Kinda hurting, Scott. Get the camera down, please.
Whoa, I'm trying to record you.
Photos.
You're not even doing anything, you're just on.
Oh, it's not on. Oh, joke's on me.
Bro, you've just wasted so many pictures.
Yeah.
Bruh. What was that, Jordan?
So guys, it's been a good day.
Day 1 is over. Next video will be out tomorrow because I'm doing it in 2 parts. Jordan.
Oh, hardly. You.
I'm doing it in 2 parts. Jordan's not vlogging because he can't be bothered.
Yeah, like the quality would be really bad because
my nose looks really, well, my entire face looks really red. Let's just blur it so they can't see.
But yeah, my microphone's a bit broken, so you can check out my Instagram.
He's lying.
And a bunch of photos. Supercars of the Kingdom.
Ooh, plug. So yeah, I shall be back again in 1 day time. 1 day's time.
Yep.
Yeah, the rest of the day wasn't too bad.
I don't know, yeah, there's a couple of nice things.
Few things, yeah.
Couple Ferraris.
We got lost and
Can check
went to the
them all
Oakley
out.
shop, which was, I think, was one of the last clips I filmed.
So long walking back.
Yeah.
My feet are broken.
I'm broken. It actually really hurts. So,
But for quality photos, you can check out Supercars of the Kingdom.
just ignore him. Don't follow him. Come and follow me instead, which is SATV. No, it's SA_TV_1, which will be down in the description. Linked, not yours. Yours won't be linked.
You don't even link your own one.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking more pictures than anything, but there still will be some videos. And Jordan can't do any videos. We're just leaving to do his own thing. Yeah, we are done for today. We're going to sleep, and he's taking the mick out of me now. For somebody that doesn't even vlog anymore.
Yeah, I know.
How many channels is that now that you've put down the drain? I mean, there wasn't anything wrong with the last one, but you
5. I haven't got rid of the last one. It's still there.
you're still there with 1 video on it.
There's no videos on it.
See? You just deleted everything. So yeah, I'll catch up with you all in tomorrow's video. Peace.